Well, it's kind of dark out here. Let's see what Dutch is up to.
She said the blinker doesn't work on the truck.
Right?
And then she sent me another text. The truck won't start, so I won't worry about the blinker.
That's not exactly how it went down.
So I got home and I fixed the blinker. That was the easy part. Well, now I find out that the battery terminal on this battery that I bought at the junkyard is stripped. And so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna remove the factory bolt out of this cable.
Better angle for me to be at here.
It's kind of stiff because it's kind of cold out.
It's very cold out here.
Whoa, come on.
Check out the snow on the ground here behind him. Yeah, it's...
Okay, so I got the bolt
you got that
out.
off when I wasn't looking. Do it again so I can record
and
it.
as you can see, the threads on there are full of lead. It's pulled all the
Can I see that?
threads out of the battery hole.
Okay.
So we take that out,
I'm gonna step
and
back.
then
I'm tripping. Hold on.
we have this 3/8 bolt. It's a carriage bolt. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this bolt in the hole and hope there's some threads deeper in. I don't know that there's that much thread there left, so I might have to take the battery out and do a larger hole or something, but we're going to try this anyway. So what we do is we put this on here like this.
What's this? A nut?
A nut, yeah.
Okay.
First, that's the nut that's going to hold this. And GM made these for double terminal, double battery vehicles. And that's just a lead extension because we're going to take and put that in. Oops, we're going to put that in here instead of the bolt. And we're going to squish that in there. These came on diesel vehicles that had 2 batteries. And that way, instead of having a bolt through there with that that piece like that, we have this piece, and then we can run a bolt right through it. So that goes through there like that. It should just slide through there. Okay, so we line that back up. And we stick that in there. And then we're gonna see if it'll tighten down on that. Make sure that's going in there straight. Now you don't want to go past the bottom of the hole because you'll go right into the battery. Yeah, this is not going real easy. Okay, so I'm into the bottom of the hole, so I'm just going to snug it there.
What do you mean by into the bottom of the hole?
There's a bottom to the hole, and you don't want to go past that because then you'll...
Inside the battery, do you
Inside
mean?
the hole that I just bolted it into.
Okay, well
Now we're going to get a
let me see if I can... 9/16 wrench. Let me see if I can get a clearer picture of what you're doing there. Okay. The hole in the battery there? Okay, you can tell I know what I'm talking about here. Look at that. It's 10:16 at night, 10:17 at night. Ooh.
9/16.
Nice.
Okay, so then I have this nut on here that I'm going to tighten down on there to lock it in place. But you don't want to go too tight because then
How do you know
you'll
when it's...
pull it right out.
Okay.
Now we have this other nut. I'm going to tighten down on that. And I can't put it in there. And that's soft lead, so that just tightens down on there. Then we got our safety glasses on. So I got my safety glasses on. And somehow we have to raise this battery up a little higher. And I have a cutoff blade, nice and thin.
Wow. Smooth as butter. Steaming.
Still loose. That bolt is going into the lead on that piece. Okay. And then my prop, which is my battery hold down, which I store right here.
Why do you store it there?
Because it's a lot of work. Then take it out all the time when you switch the battery.
Let's see if it starts.
Very loose too. There's nothing but trouble with these. Might still be a starter issue. Might still be a starter problem. So if we still have issues, then we'll replace the starter again.
So we do still have issues because it didn't start.
Oh, come on now. Be positive. It did start.
Oh,
You
okay.
heard it running.
All right, I'm going in. Thanks for showing me how to do that.
Yeah, that's what you needed to know.
Yeah.